Hey, so what's going on, guys? Make here Driven Tech Reviews and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing some preventive maintenance for the Satria Neo. So today we're going to be doing NGK Iridium spark plugs and also some performance ignition cables, because I feel the spark plugs are on their way out and also ignition cables are getting worn. Alright, so let's head over to CHP and get all these parts installed. These are preventive maintenance, but also can consider them mods as well, because they do improve the reliability of the engine. Alright guys, so we are at CHP. So we'll be installing the ignition cables and the Iridium spark plugs. So we're getting ready to install items. Installing the new spark plugs. So now we're installing the aerospeed ignition cables. Of course, a big shout out to Mr. Fang and team for always handling this car with care, and of course, well done job. Big thanks to them. Good job. Okay guys, so we're done with the install. Yeah, pretty easy, straightforward, plug and play items. Really good stuff. Very recommend it. Alright, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.